Hey, what's up, guys? Caleb with Stain and Seal Experts and Restorative Wood Products. I want to talk to you guys about hustling and why you should hustle, how I get work. This is the way I like to do it. Everybody talks about Facebook ads, Google ads, you need ads, you need ads. I like cold calls. Cold calls get me where I want to be and they get me right to who I need to be talking to. So check out this fence. Runs all the way down there, runs all the way up through here. There's going to be some more fencing on the other side. It runs all the way down there. And just a quick guess, probably 2,500 feet of fence here. There's another entrance on down, and there's some more stuff, but I didn't know about that until I made the phone call. So I made a phone call to a realtor, and I said, who's the developer? Who should I talk to? And they put me in contact with an agent that's working for the developer. And I say an agent, he's not an agent, he is the developer. And I want you to look at something. There's money in this neighborhood, and they've got to spend it. They got to do something with the money. So I called, like I said, I got in touch with the developer, and he said, yeah, I'd love to get a quote on that. The company before was supposed to do it. They never showed up. I can't get in touch with them, whatever. And he said, go on down. He said, there's a second entrance that's the same size. I want to get that done. We're going to do the sign. The other company didn't do anything on the sign. He said, there's another sign I want done. And he said, if you go at the back of the neighborhood, there's another big developer that did some fence around a big sewer plant. And it's got a bunch of fence around it. It needs painted too. And I said, will you make the introduction to me and help me get those numbers to him? He said, absolutely. So I picked up a developer. I picked up a second company. And I may not get this job, but I made a relationship. But I guarantee you, I'm going to stay on the horn with these people until I get this job. And we'll do the next one because they develop these type of things. We're going to put our signs up on the fence. And then all these houses in this neighborhood here, they're going to see our sign. They're going to see our guys out doing the job. And I'm going to get some jobs in this neighborhood too. Most likely, I see on this house, I see a covered porch on the back. I haven't drove through there yet, but I guarantee you there's probably decks and things like that on all these homes. And you see they're not that big. They're not that big of houses, but they start at 900 grand. So there's 900 to probably 1.6 or 1.8 million dollar homes in this development here. And I'm gonna get this fence job. I'm gonna see to it that I get it. And if I don't get it, I'm gonna go to the original contractor who has dropped the ball, and I'm gonna say, hey man, you dropped the ball, let me help you pick it up, and I'll do it for them. So either way, I'm gonna get this. If I don't, it don't matter, but I'm confident, and I'm gonna do what it takes to get it. So guys, get out there and hustle. Call people, make phone calls, get off your butt. When you're driving down the road and you see something that you wanna do, stop in and make it yours. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a follow-up and give you another reason why I cold call. So that last project I was just talking about was right at 2,200 feet. And I'm driving over here now to the other one that they told me about around the little water plant or whatever. And I'm gonna show you why I like to cold call. Right here it is. I don't know if you can see it, but that fence is as far as you can see. All the way down, all the way down, all the way across. Probably 3,000 feet here, and there's nothing around it. We don't have to mask. We don't have to worry about it. And this job, they need somebody, but they weren't gonna call, right? But we got it here. So that's another reason why I cold call, man. It just makes sense. If you get on the horn with these guys, they're gonna tell you what they need and when they need it, and you go do it, and they write you a check. It's pretty simple. It's not as easy as that, you know, but once you get your pipeline full, it will be. So that's what I'm doing. Driving by, see a job I want, I stop, I find out who to call, and then I go get it. Thanks.